Hey guys, I'm here to showcase you the Ranger indicator. This indicator is insane. Basically, what the Ranger is, it is the highs and lows of the session times. As you see here, if you'd like to trade futures, I have the session times for New York, Tokyo, and London. After a session is fully over, it plots the highs and lows of that full session. And when price approaches these highs and lows and fully breaks it or rejects, a alert will signal as you see here. We have a range 2 break here, range 2 break here, range 3, a range 1 rejection, and so on. Basically, my range 1 is Tokyo session, my range 2 is London session, and my range 3 is New York session. This is how the highs and lows are printed. Once the session is fully done, the highs and lows will be printed just like you see in this replay. And then once it breaks through it, a alert will alert. As you see, this is on the 5-minute time frame. So when a 5-minute candle fully closes above the higher low of the session highs and lows, it will fully print a alert, and you can decide if you want to take this breakout or wait to see for it to retest. Now, price is currently in London session. As London session finishes here, the highs and lows of the London session will print here, and then price will either break the high or low, and it broke the high here. And then you got the previous sessions from previous days, which I'll show you in the settings. Right here in the range levels, you can choose how many days of levels you want to see. For example, if you do 200, you see at least 200 days of levels for each of the sessions that you've chosen here. You can already see how powerful this indicator is. It will break the highs or lows or reject, like I had a rejection here, rejected multiple times. Now, since it's the new day, 6 p.m., New York session has ended, so print those highs and lows for the next day. And then bam, you got a range 2 break, which is the London low. And then you got the New York zones here and these zones as well, so you see how price will react. There is a whole PowerPoint slide showing how the Ranger works, showing all the session times, breakouts, rejections, all the above. Today is Juneteenth, which is a half day, so you were able to trade futures. As you see here, I have the Ranger and the trend flow with the Ignite and Power at the bottom here. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So as you see here, we had a nice trend flow signal here with a range 2 break, range 2 being the London session, and a nice downside here. If you look at the bottom here, your power and your ignite was showing strong bearish trends. So even when this trend flow signal occurred, you could have waited for the power dots and the ignite dots, or you could have entered half size and waited for more confirmation to add into your position. On your 5-minute and 15-minute time frame, you can clearly see that we're in a downtrend as there was a range 1 and range 2 break happening on both of the higher time frames. So this alert on the 1 minute would have been an easy move for you to take. Now let's take a look at the pre-market. As you can see, this trade was a rejection trade, though I only have alerts for breakouts just to keep the chart clean. As you see on the 5-minute here and the 15-minute here, it touched this zone, rejected, and continued to went down. This is the most simple that you could trade. Just have the levels and trade from level to level. Wait for your indicators to let you know that it's moving this direction. Confirm it on the higher time frames, and bam, easy bangers here. If you want to know how to get the Ranger indicator, go to the link below. There's a video on how you can get access to these insane indicators.